Clicking on broadcast?
And then we're back. Yes, we're going to just keep coming back and forth the best we can.
Let's all blow a kiss to the internet, guys.
Thank you. All right, here we are. So Old Calcutta, I was saying, was began on Broadway on this day. Do you know what Old Calcutta is famous for, speaking about cherries?
No. What is it?
It was the first show on Broadway where everyone got naked.
Nice.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
Old Calcutta premiered on this day in history, September 24th. Yes, I remember my parents went and saw it, and I couldn't. And I thought it was pretty cool that my parents actually went to see Old Calcutta was like a cool thing to see. It was, look it up. It's also the day, who thought this was interesting about, it was the first Elvis convention.
I thought that was cool.
In Cincinnati, Ohio, on this day, September 24th.
And 2,500 fans.
Yeah, it's the day.
Yeah.
This is something huge to me. It's the day in history that The Tonight Show premiered on television. It wasn't even with Johnny Carson yet. Johnny Carson is my freaking god, but he took over 8 years later. But The Tonight Show began on September 24th anniversary, 1954. Do the math. How old is it?
I totally
54.
wasn't paying attention to you.
Exactly. That's why you're such a good drummer.
Oh,
Exactly. It's the day that the Munsters, who remembers the Munsters? The Munsters premiered on television on this day. And do you know, Fred Gwynne used to live on my road. And, yeah, I used to be
Which
go to
one
his
was he?
Herman Munster.
Oh.
Yeah, I
Munster.
just met Billy Mummy recently at Chillerfest, who was Eddie Munster. Yeah, my brothers used to babysit at the Gwynn's house for Herman's kids. I used to want him so bad.
I love that show.
I know. The Munsters premiered on this day. Today is the day that Congress created the post office. You know, I feel bad for that post office.
Post
Email
office is
and
not
the
doing
internet
so well
is kind of
now.
hurting you, but you know.
Although Christmas season is still the post office season.
Is that true?
Everybody sends people stuff.
Or do you?
Yeah, I send my brothers things and my grandparents things. They send me things, mostly.
Oh, well, that's good. That's good. That's
Post office
good.
is still running.
All right. Well,
Still
you know, the Beverly Hills 90210 star, Shannon Doherty. You know who she is.
Yeah.
Yes.
She was the original Lindsay Lohan, but I think
She was
I
a
think
bad
she
girl.
got upstaged.
Is today her birthday?
Today is the day she got married to Ashley Hamilton. Now, does anyone know
He's
she's
very-
still married?
No.
No, she's not.
I'm pretty
She's
sure
not?
now.
It's a terrible day in history for Gloria Estefan. Did you know that her husband and she were in a boat and they killed a jet skier on this day? Gloria Estefan. Yeah. So I want to just shout out to that jet skier as an angel in the room
Did he go
today.
to jail?
You're gonna have, I don't know all
I
the
don't think they
details.
went to
I just
jail.
know that today was the day that they
I'm sure because it was an accident.
they had an accident. It's not a
Their
happy
parents.
day for them. But
Something
it's the
happens
day
to
that
parents.
Love Boat premiered on television.
I love that
Did you love the
show.
Love Boat? Who was your
Love it.
favorite person on Love Boat?
Oh my god, I don't know.
The captain?
I just love,
the
well,
bartender? Yeah.
I didn't even watch it, but I would say the
I like
bartender.
Isaac. Isaac was the bartender. Very good, yes. It's the day that the first baseball team ever was organized, September 24th. Can you believe it? Today is a huge day. 60 Minutes premiered on TV, September 24th. This day just is ridiculous.
It's in
and
September.
it's the day that Rue and Who premieres in Vermont.
oh
Yes,
yeah.
it is. And we're really happy to be here. As far as birthdays go, it is Jim Henson's birthday is today. So we love you, Jim Henson. And it's also Linda McCartney's birthday. So she's an angel in our room today. Happy birthday, Linda McCartney. And Anthony Newley's birthday is today, too. And an all-time amazing writer, F. Scott Fitzgerald's birthday is today.
He's from Minnesota.
Look at that. And people who passed away on this day are Dr. Seuss. He actually passed away on September 24th. So, Sam I love Dr. Seuss. He has one of my favorite quotes in the entire world. Do you have a favorite Dr. Seuss quote?
Oh god, I love all those books.
Well, do you?
I like Hop on Pop.
Yeah.
He said...
The
Go
sweet
Dog
book all
Go.
the time
Go
and I
Dog
love
Go,
it.
I think is my favorite.
Well, my
A
favorite...
party? A dog party.
One fish, two fish, red fish, Jew fish. I had a t-shirt that said that.
Really?
Yeah.
And I saw a little book on him today, and I almost bought it, and I didn't, and now I wish I did. But my favorite saying he ever said was, what is it? Those who mind don't matter, and those who matter don't mind. And I love that.
That's
I
a
love
great
him for
quote.
that. I love him for that. So we will be back. We have guests from Vermont, and we are going to kick your cherry on Cherry's Jubilee Day. Yes, September 24th. Rue and who? That's it.